Chur. Oh, she's dribbling. So, today's kupu, or tonight's kupu of the day, of the night, Te Māori, or po Māori, is Manurewa. It's not Manurewa. It's not Manurewa. It's not Manurewa. Yeah, it's Manurewa. Okay, so repeat after me. Ma nu re wa. Okay, the hardest part in that place name is probably rolling your R. So if we go back to one of the many videos earlier on in all my feeds, the best way to roll your R is if you know how to say ta-da, as in, surprise, ta-da, here it is, ta-da. Okay, that's how you roll your R. You take ta-da and that ta-da, same concept. So Manurewa, ta-da. So ma, nu, re, wa. So all of your vowels in that are all short. There's no stressed vowels. And it's actually pretty basic to say Manurewa, 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 Manurewa. Easy as, man. Me and my crooked teeth. Po Māori here, whānau.